Good morning and shit. What's going on? We are about to head off and go to Cafe Elle and go check out a Cars and Coffee. It's probably going to be one of the last Cars and Coffee this car's really going to get to go to. I need to bring it home and also figure out what's my overheating issue. So yeah, we've had a few issues this week. Hopefully we make it there. But yeah, it's been touch and go, so I'm hoping it's just a thermostat. I've already changed the water pump. If it's not that, then it is going to be a head gasket, and boy oh boy do I not really need that. Although it does give me an excuse to actually take it off the road and not drive it and get the kit on. So we are about to get the Subaru on the road this week as well, so that's going to help things out. But yeah, anyway, for now we're going to go head off to Cafe Elle, so we'll see you there, see who's there, and have some fun. Subaru drivers, fuck me man, need to learn to drive, brother. Fuck, just drive through people. See, this is why we need to get home. I've got a fuck thermostat. I'm pretty sure it's a thermostat, because we got no action on going on in here. Nothing. But we are having some sort of heating issues, and yeah, so that will be fun today. I'm not looking forward to it, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, we're out to meet, so I'll go for a walk around. Just was listening to some people talk, but yeah, we're here. Street Carnage's old Volvo. This thing's pretty gangster. Proper sick. Fuck it. Just saying, Zach built this so fucking quick. Zach doesn't own it anymore, but fuck, he built it so quick for a halfway hangs. Yeah, as you can see, there's a... Try not to be so sporadic, but this thing's sick. I like this. With the stickers down the side.
Like I always said with Tommy cars, you go, they leak so much oil, but they have so much rust. How do you get that all that rust under the car with that?
Fuck yeah. Some Audis. Ooh, DeLorean. Could hear someone yelling out DeLorean. I'm like, oh, sorry, bro. That's cool. Back to the Future. Oh, look. Fuck yeah. Low cars, low dogs. Let's go. MR2. Pretty original. Fuck yeah. Porsche. Drew's here. I'm going to quickly say hello to Drew. He's over here. Fuck, this thing's sick. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I'd love something like this, hey? I'd suit something like this. Chop the roof. Oh. I'll be 20. Let's go. Fuck yeah. Nice. Gotta love good old 8 Series Beamer. Corvette. Tough wagon. Ryan's 33, GDST, Porsche, Lambos. Here he is here.
Here comes trouble.
Here comes trouble.
Look at this, mate. Look, silky.
Silky smooth.
Silky, baby. How are you, brother?
Good, bro. How are you? Hey, congratulations.
Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man.
Well done, brother. Well done.
Finally took that step, eh?
Yeah, that's the way. Looked like a beautiful day too for it.
It was amazing, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. Here's me boy Timmy. Timmy. We got some wheels on it already. He's got the BCs in it already. To be fair, it hasn't taken him long. He's done it pretty quickly. He's trying to keep it as a daily too, so. Ooh. But it's not bad. 110 mil all around. So yeah. It looks alright. It's not bad. Good height. This thing's sick. This thing's cool. I like the purple. Little flares. That's cool. That's probably cool. You guys need to let me know also, should I just come in and just roast cars? Like, is that something different? Is anyone really doing that? Like, yeah. Fucking not bad.
It's a blessing and a curse, brother.
Always. Always. How's it going?
Oh, it goes all right, man. It does its job from
Yeah.
time to time when it's
Yeah.
not being a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But yeah, it goes all right.
GDR things.
Yeah, typical GDR things, brother. It doesn't change.
How much power are you pushing out of it? Yeah, just had a mad chat with the old mate with the 32 GDR there. It was good. Fucking thing makes some power, 1200 horsepower. Still stock manual too, which is cool as fuck. So yeah. I was gonna introduce him to Drew, but as we were walking off to go introduce him to Drew drove off. I'm like, sorry bro. Fuck. He goes, oh there he goes. I'm like, yeah. There's a GS300 that's caught my eye, but we'll go left. Why? Why'd you park like that? Why? I don't understand. Now you're going, yeah, oh, fuck, whatever. I don't mind this thing, this is cool. Terran. Oh, that's the 660, let's go. These things are cool. I like them. It'd give me claustrophobia, but yeah, they're cool. Ooh, Integra. Ooh, K24.
Oh, that's it. All like the gated bath. Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Got the Has Sport mounts. Fuck yeah, that's cool. Ground lights. STI. 32 4-door. So good. Yeah, fuck yeah. Another Ford. This Porsche was just driving before. Sound pretty good. M2MB. Mopar no car. There's a Jay-Z powered Jay-Z powered Courier. It's fucking sick.
stylish wheels. Obviously some GDI transmission. Trying to flag up.
Bye, Timmy. Fuck yeah. It does look pretty good, eh? Fuck, he roasted me. So, god damn it. Well, yeah. Bye, Timmy. Jay-Z. Good, how are you? 8 speed. Oh yeah. Let's go. This thing's sick. Let's start turbo. Alright. Oh, 808 wagon. Let's go. That was a goal for so long. Oh, ISF. Oh, on the super wheels. Looks good. An LS400. Thanks, sick. Ramsey Studio. Fuck, I miss mine, eh? Highway star. Let's go. Bagged. Tidy Calais. Fuck yeah. Chaser. Yeah. Mofar and Oka. The Cosmo. I really want one, eh? Fuck, I've always wanted one. 20B rotary, let's go. On some Mustang wheels. This thing's sick. Pull it, go home, pull this fucking thermostat apart. So yeah, head out, go home, do what I gotta do. Alright guys, so we went to the car meet, started overheating as I rocked up, so now we're going to dive in, try and figure out what's happening. We're going to start with a simple pull the thermostat out, put in boiling hot water, see how that goes. So yeah, I'll dive into that now, just making way. But yeah, also streaming on TikTok live. So yeah, got the best of both worlds. Yeah, so I'll do all this messy shit while I'm on live. We'll get into the cool stuff and I'll show you where we're at. Hopefully it's a thermostat. Please, Jesus. Man over here. And he's just told me that it's, yeah, my thermostat's fucked.
It's split.
So yeah.
Banana split.
It's banana split. Oops. So yeah. He was saying because we put chemi weld, it might have like, what, stuck it.
Yeah.
It's
The chemical
jammed.
turns into like cotton and stuff and jams a little brass shaft that it slides down in here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right.
But that should be shut when it's cold. It should
Okay.
open in boiling water.
Yeah, right. Sweet. Thank you. Thanks, Banana Man. Fuck yeah. You heard it here from Banana Man #1. Going to wrap go, so let's hope we can get a thermostat.
Fucking moon's going on.
Well, I found out that my thermostat's fucked. So.
What gave you that impression? What, on the legend?
Yeah, on the legend. So, this is where you tell me that we have one in stock at Morayfield.
Oh, yeah.
Which we don't, I bet ya.
What year is your legend?
95.
Was it the 7 or the 8?
7.
Sweet.
Oh, it's all
Warehouse or national? I'm having a look.
warehouse or national. How are you going to do this to me?
I'm sorry.
Shay has like 1 day left.
I need that discount.
I need that discount, bro.
Pimpama. If you want to go to Pimpama.
Pimpama. Oh, no. Fuck no.
I know.
It's not.
We can go on in for Monday.
Alright, so update is I've got to order it in. Monday it is. Oh yeah, by the way, you'll be on YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
What was that?
I just said hello.
Yeah, I was just putting my mic to the fucking phone so you could hear it.
It's just the worst static, the worst possible noise.
Nah, who knows? Who knows? So yeah, Monday we are getting a new one. So yeah, it'll be Shay's like last second day. So yeah.
Get the cheeky discount, mate.
Yeah, we'll get that fucking quick Repco discount code there. Use
Hell yeah.
Tobias 15. So yeah.
Enjoy the legend.
Alright, so I'm going to head off to Morayfield now. Might come for a drive, I guess. I'll pack this shit up quickly. Going to go up with Kyle. I need a voltmeter because I want to test a few things and stuff. And yeah, so I want to get one of them. Thermostat Monday, which is cool news, but yeah. Oh yeah. So we just got back from Repco Morayfield. And yeah, I bought a bunch of stuff to service the Subaru because we got to get that on the road this week. So yeah, gonna fucking put this back together, drive the Subaru in here, and we'll do an oil swap and filter and stuff like that in the Subaru. So yeah, and thermostat again on Monday. Fuck yeah, I hit an S15. He's gonna be like, this dickhead, why is he filming me? Oh. What are those? Loves it when I pick on his wheels. Oh, you can... Nah. Terran's here, by the way, everyone. Rocked up with his S15. So yeah, I already filmed that. But yeah, we trying to fix the thermostat and Terran fucked it on me, so...
Did I?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Nah,
yeah. No, I did.
I fucked it.
Good.
I fucked it. So we're just going to yeet that. There's no shit on my bag. And we're just going to run one without it for now. I don't know where I put the housing. But... So yeah. Near drill. Hey?
Near drill.
Near my drill.
Yeah. And scooter.
And the housing. Oh, the housing, yeah. So yeah. Just more water flow, really. Just
yeah, nice water flow.
Nice water flow.
Got
So,
nice
yeah.
air intake.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll just do that. Bang. Fill your radiator back up. Make sure you put the screw plug back in that you took out to drain the water out of. Fucking Terrence looked at me and goes, fuck, this thing's taking a lot of water. I was like, yeah. Sounds like it's kind of coming straight back out. Well, it was. It was. So yeah. Rookie mistake, but you know, you get that on the big jobs. So. Fuck yeah. Alright guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that funky shit. So thanks to Terran for coming out. He might actually watch this video.